Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to see damage dealt in Counter-Strike 2. So I will just be explaining to you guys this chart. So once a round finishes, you'll see a screen with different stats, including the damage you've done under the person's avatar at the top of the screen in Counter-Strike 2. So this small screen pops up at the end of every round, regardless of the match outcome. On the scoreboard, below each player's picture at the top of your screen, you'll find two numbers after the round has concluded. The first number, the larger one, shows the damage you've caused to that particular player. For instance, if you've dealt as damage to someone, the number will be 25. The second number in italics and right next to the damage dealt reveals how many shots it took to inflict that damage. So if it required 2 shots to deal 25 damage, it will show as 25 in 2. So this is the only explanation for this chart that I've shown you guys. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.